Welcome to Well's Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and today I am come up with a quick pasta snacks or bite or pasta dinner, whatever you can say. And this pasta I am going to make out of my friend Leanda Fernandez, who had given me this beautiful, tasty, yummy masala, that is authentic East Indian bottle masala. So I'm going to use 1 teaspoon because it is just 1 cup. So if you are making more, then maybe you can use little bit more out of it, because it's an awesome masala. You should try this authentic East Indian bottle masala, and you should be connected to Leanda Fernandez on her East Indian group. So I will share you her details. If anybody message me, I will do share her details. So now what we need is 1 cup of pasta, which I have boiled. It's already cooked, boiled. So now this I will be using actually only 2 out of this, and 1 will be for garnishing. And so total 3 cubes of we need cheese. It's Amul cheese, you can use any cheese. Then I need little bit of veg stock. I am going to use Amul garlic butter. I need this 1 glass of milk, that is 3/4 glass of milk, pepper powder, few oregano, mixed herb, and tomato sauce, which is homemade. I will be sharing you this link in the description box. So this all we need, and it is very quick. So let's start. These are parsley to garnish. So let's start. So we need to grate this. So 2 cubes I am going to grate this. I'm not going to use any flour to make the white sauce. It's with this only. And we need little bit of plain oil, 1/2 teaspoon. So we need around 1 teaspoon of butter. You can take any type of butter. So I am putting this butter in the oil. Now this, if you see my previous video, you will get to see how I have cooked pastas various ways. You can cook it in open pan, you can cook it in pressure cooker. Okay, so that also I will share you the link of my previous pasta recipes. And this recipe also is specially for our daughter, and she wants to try the easy and quick way. So quick bites, so she can make it and eat it and enjoy it. We'll add this butter and oil together and let it get melt. Let this get nicely melt. And we'll add our tomato sauce in this. In this, lot of herbs are there, garlic, everything is there. But you can use any market store tomato sauce or tomato ketchup. Especially our daughter, she has to use some stove thing because she is studying, and where she is, it has to be quick and easy. So let's mix this. And now we'll add to this our cheese and milk. And the milk together. So this is like our sauce for our pasta. As this is getting this, we'll add our bottle authentic East Indian bottle masala. So I will use actually 1 teaspoon, but a hip teaspoon. So teaspoon size accordingly. So I'm using that one. Now those who don't have this masala powder, you can use your chicken masala, or you can use our Goan shakuti masala too. So this masala is also very tasty. And I will mix this together. So it blends it nicely. It's on slow fire. Now we'll add our mixed herbs. Again, this is optional. If you have, then it's fine. Without this also we can make quick pasta. And some oregano. So this is our thick sauce. And we'll crush little bit pepper. And mix this. Now we'll add our veg stock in this. And let this come to a thickness. Check the salt if salt is needed. While boiling also I had added little salt. So we have to check our salt. Salt is needed. So if you are using that salty butter, then yes, please check your salt and then add if needed. So now at this point we are adding our cooked pasta, and our pasta will get ready. So if you want more this, then you have to add little bit more radish, then you can add little bit more bottle masala or whatever your masala you are using, but that is for flavor. So now at this point I will add my cooked pasta in this, and we'll mix this all together nicely. And here it's ready to serve on the plate. It took like 3 minutes to nicely get this, and it is creamy, cheesy, and our authentic bottle masala pasta is ready. So it's done. Now we'll put off the gas. So now I'll show you how to serve. Just take this and put this here. It's so yummy. And it's only 1 cup of boiled pasta. And it is very yummy. And let's serve with some parsley, or if you have cilantro or whatever. I like parsleys because it is good for health also. And we will grate some cheese on that. So most of our children, they love this cheese. So how much also you give them this cheese, it's like awesome. Then so enjoy your pasta. I'm going to enjoy this. So thank you so much. It's very tasty. I will taste one and tell you. Very tasty. It's yum. Hope you all will enjoy this. Thank you.